Hey friends, in today's super quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list right here in Excel. Okay, so we are in Excel here on my Mac. This is going to look very, very similar if you're using a PC. And basically, we have a very, very simple spreadsheet. Now, what we want to do is we want to create a drop-down list within a specific cell that people can choose from to input data. So we need a couple things. First, we need the drop-down list data to be populated somewhere so we can select it. So as you can see up here, I have a list of names. This is what I'm going to use as my drop-down list. Again, you can create this anywhere in your spreadsheet, maybe even on another sheet, as long as the data is somewhere where you can choose from later here in the process. So the next thing we need to do is we need to choose the cell where we want the drop-down list to show up. In this case, I'm going to choose row 12 here in column A. The next thing we do is go up here to our menu option. We're going to be on the Data tab. As you can see, I have it selected. And we're going to come over here to Data Validation. Now when I click this, we're going to get a dialog box that opens up. And so we make sure we're on the Settings tab right here. And then we're going to come down, and in the Allow section, we're going to click on this little drop down, and I'm going to click on List. Okay, once I click on List, we have some settings that automatically populate. Again, you can play with this based off of the type of list that you are interested in. And then we're going to need to select our source. Now remember, this is where we are going to select those names that we initially put in over here or somewhere else on your specific spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this, and then we're going to come over here to our spreadsheet, and I'm just going to drag and hold, and I'm going to select all of these names here. As you can see, it populates with that specific formula, so now this list will again populate from those specific names. Okay, once we're happy, we're going to click on the OK button, and as you can see, item 12, once I select it, has this little drop-down option. I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, all those names are now populated and available for us to select. Let's go ahead and click on John, and he'll begin to populate there. That's basically it, friends. Again, this is a very, very simple example. Go ahead and play around with this, see if you can come up with specific formulas that work best for your Excel spreadsheet. I hope this has helped. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button for us, and then stay tuned, subscribe. We're making a ton more of these Excel tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.